Hello YouTubers, today we're going to install a brand new carb on this bike. This ain't no rocket surgery, therefore I'm not going to go into specific details on how to remove the carb. My son's been riding this bike for over a year now, and for the past couple of months it started to have some issues with cold starts and idling. After cleaning it several times and trying to adjust the idle screw and the fuel mixture screw, I've decided to move on to the next carb. I've searched online and I found a brand new carb on eBay for around $40. I guess you can't go wrong with the brand new Mikuni carb. Alright, so let's compare the two. Notice the slight differences between the two. On the original carb, choke lever's got 3 different settings, but on Mikuni carb, choke plunger's got only 2 settings and it's located on the other side. Both of these carbs are 26 millimeters, so there shouldn't be any problems with bolting it back on the intake manifold. Original carb had the fuel mixture screw in an awkward place where it was a pain in the butt to adjust it. Also, the idle adjuster screw required a screwdriver to make any adjustments, but on Mikuni carb I guess it looks like it can be done by hand. Even though it says made in Japan, but it's probably a CARB or a Carburetor copy, because they're all made in China, and once we install it we'll see how this thing works. Alright, so let's install it on the bike. Now that the carb is back on the bike, the fuel line is connected, I'm gonna warm up the bike a little bit, make some adjustments, and then we're gonna go for a little ride.